Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage layers in Canva. Let's get started. Let's take this design as an example, and let's say I want to move this text to the center. But once I do this, it gets hidden behind the image. So I want to see the layers or switch them up. There are a few ways we can do that. I can just right-click on this text, go to Layer, and bring it forward. Now I can work with it. But if I want to check which ones of these are above or at the back, all I have to do is just right-click on any of the elements, go to Layer, and Show Layers. Now you can see which layer is on top, and I can switch them around the way I want to. If for some reason, when you click on Show Layers, you don't find them, you always have this Position button over here. Just click on this Position button, and now you can see the layers. And that's it. Now you can rearrange elements to perfect your design. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.